Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I am going to upload income from salary part 5. Previous part under part 4 ದಲ್ಲಿ 2018 question paper solution regarding to HRA, taxable HRA we covered. Now I'm going to cover 2015 the HRA related question. Here also there are two cases, Mr. M and Mr. N. Mr. M of Mumbai, Mr. N of Hubballi. So this one is a solution one, Mr. N of Mumbai. Here the formula for calculating taxable HRA we know. Actual HRA received minus exempted HRA. In case of Mr. M, actual HR received what? HR received 1,60,000. 1,60,000. So 1,60,000 minus exempted HRA. So this is a way for finding exempted HRA. We have to comparison between A, B and C items. A items actual HR received. The given one 1,60,000. Then excess of rent paid over 10% of salary. A rent paid rupees 72,000 minus 10% of salary. We know the formula for calculating salary for the purpose of HRA. Salary equal basic salary plus DA for retirement benefits plus commission. But under this case, DA for retirement are not given, even though commission information here not given. So under this case, basic salary itself is a salary for the purpose of HRA. 60,000, 6 lakh. 10% of 6 lakh means 60,000. 72,000 minus 60,000, the answer is 12,000. Or 50% of salary. 50% of salary ekandre the house is situated in where? The house is situated in Mumbai. On that reason, 50% of salary. So 50% of 6 lakh means 3 lakh. Now compare these three values. 1,60,000 or 12,000 or 3 lakh. Whichever is less, that one is a exempted HRA. Means this 12,000 here exempted HRA. 1,60,000 minus 12,000, 1,48,000 here taxable one. Here in case of M of Mumbai. So the first case here we covered. The second case, N, Mr. N of Hubballi. Taxable HRA equal actual HRA minus exempted HRA. But ಈ problem ಅಲ್ಲಿ Mr. N living in his own house, residence in his own house. ಈ ತರ ಇದ್ರೆ exempted ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ ಅವನಿಗೆ. ರೆಂಟ್ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ exempted ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. Got it? So here residence his own house, so no exemption is given. So here actual HRA, here taxable HRA are same. So taxable HRA in case of N of Hubballi 80,000 itself. So this is all about your 2015 question paper 5 marks question. Every year 5 marks ಗೆ HRA calculations ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. Even the 15 marks ಗೂ ಕೂಡ HRA calculation middle ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So HRA ಬೇಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೇಸ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ಟೆನ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, DA ರೂಪಿ 4,000 ಪರ್ ಮಂತ್ ಅಂಡ್ 50% ಆಫ್ DRNS allowances enter into retirement benefits, CCA, city compensatory allowances, HRA rupee 2,500 per month, commission 4,000. Compute taxable HRA from the informations given above for each of the situations given below. Case 1, living in his own house. Case 2, living in a rented house at Belgaumi by paying rupee 2,500 per month as rent. Case 3, living in a rented house at Mumbai by paying rupee 5,000 per month as a rent. So solution, case 1, living in his own house. ನಾನು ಮೊದಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ, ಇಫ್ ಹಿ ಈಸ್ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಓನ್ ಹೌಸ್ ದೆನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಮ್ಟೆಡ್ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ. ಆಕ್ಚುಲ್ HR ರಿಸೀವ್ಡ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೋ ಅದೇ ಅವನ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಬಲ್ HR ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅಂಡರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲ್ HRA ರೂಪಿ 2,500 ಪರ್ ಮಂತ್. 2,500 into 12 month ಅಂದ್ರೆ 30,000. This 30,000 fully year taxable HRA. Got it? Case 2. Case 2 under living in a rented house at Mumbai by paying rupee 2500 per month as a rent. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ exemption ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ because he is living in a rented house. Situation house situated at Belagavi itself. Taxable HRA formula actual HRA received minus exempted HRA. Actual HRA 30,000 itself. Exempted 5,600 ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ working note here. Actual HR received 30,000 or excess of rent paid over 10% of salary. A rent paid here 30,000 itself. Salary for the purpose of HRA. Salary for the purpose of HRA here. Basic salary plus DA for retirement benefits plus commission. 18,000 into 12. Basic salary per annum 2,16,000. Dearness allowances for retirement benefit 2000 into 12 24,000 and commission 4,000 itself. So for the purpose of HRA salary here 2,44,000. So 10% of 2,44,000 andre 24,400. 30,000 minus 24,400 result is 5,600 or 40% of salary. 40% of salary ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ the house is situated in Belagavi ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ 40% of salary. ಮುಂಬೈ ಕಲ್ಕತ್ತಾ ಚೆನ್ನೈ ಡೆಲ್ಲಿ ಈ 4 ಮೆಟ್ರೋಪಾಲಿಟನ್ ಸಿಟೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೌಸ್ ಸಿಚುವೇಟೆಡ್ ಇದ್ರೆ 40% ಅಲ್ಲ 50% ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 40% ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ 97,600 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಮೂರು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಗೂ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ವಿಚ್ ಎವರ್ ಇಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದಿಸ್ 5,600 is a less one. So this 5,600 itself is a exempted amount. 30,000 minus 5,600. So 24,400 here taxable in case of case 2. Now the case 3. Living in a rented house at Mumbai by paying rupee 5,000 per month as a rent. This case under also be she is eligible to claim exempted. Taxable HRA formula actual HRA received minus exempted HRA. 30,000 minus exempted one. Exempted actual HR received 30,000. Excess of rent paid over 10% of salary. 5,000 into 12 under 60,000. 10% of salary. Salary already we calculated. Salary formula what? Basic salary plus DA for retirement benefits plus commission. 24,400. 60,000 minus 24,400 under 35,600 or 50% of salary. Salary here 2,44,000. 2,44,000 in a 50% under 1,22,000. After this calculation, now compare this. Either 30,000 or 35,600 or 1,22,000. Whichever is less one, this 30,000 is a lesser value, no? So main formula 30,000 exempted value itself is 30,000. 30,000 minus 30,000, the taxable HRA amount 0 or nil. So this is all about your HRA case study HRA ಈಗ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so very easy to calculate, very easy to understand. So this is all about to HRA case study. Thank you for watching.